So the age-old question, what's worse, a false positive or a false negative in detection engineering? In this case, the obvious answer is the right answer. False negatives are the worst of the two. A false negative means you miss malicious behavior. That being said, that doesn't mean a false positive is a good thing, right? False positives have their own very negative repercussions, especially very aggressive, noisy false positives. If you have a rule that is firing a bunch of false positive, it leads to a condition known as alert fatigue amongst your SOC analysts. This is when an analyst sees thousands upon thousands of false positives fire a particular alert, and then mentally, they just assume when they see that alert fire, it's going to be a false positive, which in turn can lead to the exact same scenario as a false negative alert, i.e. the SOC analyst ignores the false positive, even if it is in fact a true positive. And so while I will say false negatives are the worst of the two, false positives can be just as dangerous in the right scenario.